It's a real six today. The fans eagerly awaiting kick-off now. We're underway then. What can we expect here today? Well intercepted. Good clearance there. Throw taken long. And he's in possession. Oh, that's a... Well, he's going to be off. It's a straight red. This is within range then. Played in field. Good clearance there. Well read. Oh, deep challenge there. Yeah, and he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. This is his chances from here. Oh, that's well over. Well, let's take another look at that. Sends it long. Oh, that's confident goalkeeping there. Sends it forward. He's a bit too much to the opposition there. They have the ball again. Ooh, that's a rash challenge there. Well, let's have a look at that one again. Easy for the goalkeeper there. Keeper opts to throw this one out. The defender's back on the ball. Really well played. That's nicely played. Well timed then. Good defending. Not a good decision there. And that is a fantastic goal. Well, that's been coming. He'll be pleased getting on the score sheet, but can he add to it? And we're back underway. Well, an eventful first half here. With one team a player down, the other team will want to take full advantage in the second half. It's 1-0. The losing team have the next 45 minutes to turn things around. They're already losing. They don't want to go further behind. So they better soon. Good effort. It's saved by the keeper. Well cut out. Get it away. Well intercepted. Oh, well timed. The striker was looking for that. Can they make something of this? And that's into the box. Not the best header there. It was interesting to see how close that actually was.
No. No. Help.
Oh, determined challenge there. Let's get it back inside. Great understanding between this team. Oh, well timed. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. No doubt at all, that's a penalty. When you tap on the goal, it's way to attempt to save the penalty. Solid strike there, never in doubt. And he slots it home. Great precision. It's a tactical change here then. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Oh, he did really well there. He shoots, not the best effort there. Let's see that one again. There's frustration seen coming from the bench right now. The manager won't be pleased. This is crisp passing. Dominating the play now. Is this a goal? Just needed a bit more composure to get that shot on target. Let's see how close. We're into time added on now. Well ahead now, and this should be the win for them. A foul. I think they've been working on this one at the training ground. He should have been on target. Let's see that again. Comfortable 2-0 victory here. Manager will be pleased with results like this. We'll need to get something here with this attack.